Let's look at MAD. MAD stands for mean absolute deviation. Boy, doesn't that sound crazy. And it is. I like to call it MAD because it makes me mad when I have to do it. As maddening as it makes me, and as crazy it can be, it's actually not that difficult to do. Let me show you with a set of data. Step 1, find the mean of the data. So there's my 5 numbers. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add them together. 16 plus 28 plus 19 plus 13 plus 14 adds up to 90. Then I'm going to divide that by 5 because there were 5 numbers. Divided by 5 on my calculator gives me 18. So that's my mean. Now we're going to find the deviation. In order to do that, I'm going to make a simple little chart so you can see this a little bit better. So in order to find the deviation, I take the mean and I subtract it from, or the mean from, these numbers. So in this case, 18 minus 16 is what? 2. So my deviation is 2. Then I'm going to take 18 and 28 and subtract them, and I get the answer of 10. Then I'm going to subtract 18 and 19, and my deviation is 1. I'm going to subtract 18 and 13, and I get 5, and 18 and 14, and I get 4. So those are called the deviations. How far away is my mean from each of these numbers? Not hard. Next, to find the mean absolute deviation, we're now going to add up all of the deviations. So I'm going to add together to find the MAD. I am going to add up 2 plus 10 plus 1 plus 5 plus 4. And I get 22. And again, we're finding the mean absolute deviation. So now that I have the mean, the sum of them is 22. To find the mean, I'm now going to divide that by 5 because there were 5 numbers that I added together. So 22 divided by 5 equals, and I got the answer of 4.4. Again, it's not hard, it's just a little confusing at times. But if you follow my easy steps, it's not that hard. So again, step 1, find the mean. Step 2, find the mean. Step 2, we did the deviations, which means we subtracted. And then step 3, we found the mean of the deviations. If you write this down and you're working on this on your own, it really will not be that difficult for you to follow. Good luck.